Hello, this is Emma of EmmaLiveYoga and welcome to our 30-day Ashtanga Yoga Challenge, and we are on day 4. So far we have covered the chant, bandhas, dristi, ujjayi, vinyasa, asana, and the first piece of bread, which are the sun salutations. We're now going to do the other piece of bread for the sandwich, which are the 3 lotus positions or cross-legged positions. We'll begin by revisiting our flow and our options that we've had so far. So come to comfortable seated position, bring the hands to Anjali Mudra. We'll begin with the opening chant. Just take a few moments to feel grounded and settled. And then take a breath in. Vande Gurunam Charnaravinde Samdashti Satsva Sapada Pote Neshte Se Jankai Kai Mani Samsala Hala Moha Shantie Babahu Purushikaram Shankachakrasi Tarinam Sahasrashvarasam Shvetam Pranamani Patanjalim Om. So then release the hands. We'll begin with a seated version of Surya Namaskar A. You may recall this, really great way to warm up. So from here, inhale, lift the chest forward. Exhale to fold, round the back. Inhale to lift, this will be your upward dog. Exhale, round the back, that's your Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale to lift. And exhale, round the back. So this is your downward dog. 1. Now you can bring the fingertips down. 2. Keep a squeeze of the pelvic floor. Relax the head. 3. Full ujjayi breathing. 4. And 5. Look forwards. Inhale, come through with the chest. Exhale to fold, round the back. Inhale to lift, lift through the crown of the head. And exhale, Samastitihi. Good. From here, we'll come to Surya Namaskar B. From a high kneeling base, please feel free to have any supports you need for the knees. So again, this happened in the first couple of days that we've done. Come towards the front of the mat. If you prefer to do these standing, that's okay also. Samastitihi, Surya Namaskar B. Inhale, sit back. Remember, palms can be floating. Exhale to fold. Let the head dangle. Inhale to lift, lift the chest. Exhale, round the back. You may sink all the way to the heels. Inhale, step forward with the right leg, lift the arms up. Exhale to fold, step it back. Lower the body, little dip. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog, which is your extended child. Left leg. Inhale, left leg. Palms touch. Check your knee to ankle alignment. Good. Exhale, fold all the way down. Mini dip or a lower dip. Inhale to lift. You can sink the pelvis. Good. Exhale to dog. Stay for 5. 1. So see where you can relax. 2. Really maximize the breath. This is a practice. 3. Keep your eyes open. 4. Relax around the shoulders. And 5. Look forward. Inhale, come through. Lift the chest. Exhale to fold. Round the back. Inhale, sit back, palms together and lift. Exhale, Samastitihi. Good. So I'm moving to a standing version. Feel free to state any of those seated, high kneeling versions that we've been working with. Stay comfortable in your practice. So Samastitihi, however that looks for you. Surya Namaskar B, final round that we'll do. Feet can be together or apart if you're standing. Inhale, sit back. Exhale to fold. Straighten the legs as best you can. Inhale to lift. Remember, your knees can be bent, but keep the hands on the floor. Exhale, step back and lowering. Remember, you can bring your knees down. Elbows back. Inhale to lift. Baby cobra, higher cobra, or an upward dog, you choose. Exhale to dog. Relax the head. Right leg, left heel comes in. Inhale, right leg, palms touch. No, they don't have to. Exhale, fold all the way down. Inhale to lift, roll the shoulders back, and keep the knees down. Exhale to dog. Left leg, right heel in. Inhale, left leg, palms touch, try and square the hips. Exhale, all the way down. Knees down is always an option. Inhale to lift, back bend of choice, doesn't have to be high. Exhale to dog. Same for 5. 1. Remember, knees down is always an option also here. 2. Maximize the breath. 3. Remember your drishti options. 4. Between the heels, knees up towards the navel. And 5. Look forward. Remember, you can step, jog, or jump. Inhale, come through. So I'm walking through. You do what you need to do. Exhale to fold. Inhale, sit back, palms together and lift. Exhale, Samasthiti. Good job. So we're going to take a vinyasa to the final 3 lotuses. So inhale to lift. Remember, you can do this from seated. Exhale to fold. Relax the head. Inhale to lift the chest. Exhale, legs back and lowering. Remember your options. Inhale to lift, drop the shoulders down. Exhale to dog. Look forward, bend the knees. Inhale, step, jog or jump through to seated. So however is best for you. As we set up for Baddha Padmasana, so some options. If crossing your legs is a problem, I want you to stretch your legs out. If you have a half lotus or a full lotus in your practice, feel free to do that. I'm staying in the cross-leg position. So from here, we sit tall. Wrap the arms around the back. If you have a full lotus, you will take hold of the big toes, because your feet will be here, with the fingers. If that's out of your practice or in the realms of impossibility, that's okay, no problem. So from here, you can keep the arms here. Stay happy. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, begin to hinge forward from the hips. So now we have a count of 10. Things begin to slow down. 1. So now your drishti is the tip of the nose and beyond. 2. With a soft gaze. So think Pinocchio drishti. And kind of into the mid-distance. 3. Begin to work on the rachaka, the exhale, the surrender. 4. You may already have reached how far you need to go in this practice, so don't force anything. 5. Just instead focus on the breath. 6. Keep a squeeze of the pelvic floor. 7. 8. 9. No sleeping. Keep your eyes open. And 10. Engage Mula Bandha. Inhale to lift up. And exhale to release. So that's the first of the full, the 3 lotus positions or cross-leg positions. So from here, we're going to make our way to Shavasana to close the practice. So remember, you can stretch the legs out, open the palms. If you need to bring the feet to the floor, that's also fine. Take a nice long inhale. Exhale to let go, out through the mouth. And again, big inhale. Exhale. Last one. Big inhale. Exhale. So take a few moments to rest and settle, absorbing the prana from practice, feeling how 10-15 minutes can make such a difference to your day. If you wish to stay longer, please feel free to enjoy your Shavasana. Otherwise, begin to deepen the breath. Bring your movements to fingers and toes as you move the head from side to side. And then on the inhale, take a nice full body stretch. Exhale to release. And then bending at the knees and the elbows. Give yourself a squeeze, a big thank you to the body for the practice. And roll until you can roll over to one side. Pause for a moment. Bones heavy. And then inhale, press yourself up to a comfortable seated position. We come back to where we started at the beginning. Sit tall. Hands back to the heart space. Inhale. And exhale. Namaste. So thank you for practicing with me on day 4. If you enjoyed the class, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. We've got much more coming up for day 5. I hope to see you there. Take care.